Welcome back to Inside Bono Hair Factory, a production deep dive. In this chapter, we're taking a closer look at one of the most talked about options on the market, the 0.03mm ultra-thin skin base. At just 0.03 millimeters thick, this base is extremely light, flexible, and natural looking. It delivers one of the most realistic scalp effects available today, while still supporting up to 100% hair density. To achieve this level of realism, the 0.03mm skin base is designed exclusively for V-loop ventilation, allowing hair to appear as if it's growing directly from the scalp. This base is ideal for young professionals, on-camera, or photo shoot clients, and anyone who prioritizes a flawless hairline with minimal styling time. It's best considered a short-term or disposable solution rather than a long-wear system. For wholesale buyers, it's a classic entry-level product. Easy to stock, easy to demonstrate. We currently offer two stock options: 80% density with an A-shaped front, 100% density with a standard front. While we also produce thinner custom options, this series focuses on our regular stock models. For special requests, our sales team is always ready to assist.